Hello and welcome back to another episode of Measurement in a Minute. I'm your host, Justin Kozak with Lakeside Process Controls. And in today's video, we're continuing our discussion around rosemount micromotion flow meter technologies. We're picking up where we left off in the last video discussing Coriolis Flow Meter theory of operation. Today we're discussing how we measure density with a Coriolis Flow Meter. Now if we take a look at our Coriolis Flow Meter, we understand how to measure mass flow directly. Just as a refresher, we are looking at the time difference or the phase shift difference between that left and that right pickoff, as that is proportional to the mass flow rate. Now when we look at a Coriolis flow meter, it's analogous to, say, a spring and weight system, in the sense that if you have the same spring but you change the mass that you attach to it, you will see oscillation at different frequencies. So with a higher weight or a higher density, you'll see a lower frequency of oscillation. Now just like a spring system, it's going to be dependent on the tube stiffness or the spring constant, if we're using the same analogy, as well as the mass of the system. Now the mass is only going to change depending on the product we have traveling through it, because the tubes should not be changing mass. And so what we can do is we look at this left and right pickoff, but instead of looking for the phase shift difference, we're going to hone in on just one of these and look at the frequency that we're oscillating at. And this piece is proportional to the density of the fluid we have. Whether it's an oil or a water or some other liquid, that's how we measure density directly with our Coriolis flow meters. Now it's important to understand that this is independent of the mass flow rate, and for this reason we can measure gas flow rates, liquid flow rates, liquid density, but not gas density, as we don't have a resolution on a Coriolis flow meter for gas density. That's a separate solution altogether. Should you have any questions about micromotion flow meters or any other of our products, please reach out to us at www.lakesidecontrols.com. Thanks and have a great day.